Fox and Stork. Fox said to Stork, "Please come to dinner." Fox liked to play tricks. He liked to trick his friends. Fox made soup. He put a spoonful in a shallow bowl. He gave this to Stork. He put a cupful in a deep bowl. This he kept for himself. Fox lapped up his dinner. Stork had a long bill. Only the tip reached the soup. She went away hungry. The next day Stork asked Fox to dinner. She made soup too. She put it in a jar. The jar had a long, thin neck. Stork sipped up the soup. Fox could not get his broad snout in the jar. Fox went away hungry. Stork said, "You were not my friend. Now I am not your friend either." The moral of the story, or the central message, is to be nice to your friends. Then they will be nice to you.